I'm here at Intermach with Patrick Turpin of OMAX. Can you tell me what you're expecting from the event today?
Well, we'd like to educate consumers here in Thailand on what waterjet does, how it can be used to cut a variety of materials, a variety of thicknesses quickly with different geometries.
Right. And can you give us an explanation of your machine here that you've got, and how does it work, what does it do, what are its benefits?
Well, you think about a grinder. You have a grinding wheel with a piece of ceramic turning abrasive. Instead of the ceramic, we're using water, pressurized water up to 3,700 bar, and it's spinning the abrasive and eroding metal.
Right. And how have you sold many of these machines in Thailand or Southeast Asian region?
We have about 12 in Thailand, and in Southeast Asia, probably 100.
Right. And who are the companies that are buying this machine?
Small mom and pop shops, companies that don't have money for a lot of different machines, right. So they buy this one to do many different processes.
Right. And what is the specific benefit of this machine versus other machines like it?
Cuts a wider variety of materials, wider thicknesses up to 200 millimeters thick, cuts fast, and doesn't require a lot of tooling.
Right. And can you explain to us how it works exactly?
Sure. We have an orifice where we're pumping 3.7 liters of water per minute through a 0.036 millimeter orifice, and that's causing the water to pressurize to 3,700 bar. It creates a vacuum, sucks the abrasive in, the abrasive wraps around the jet, and that's what's actually eroding the material.
And have you had a lot of interest so far this morning?
Actually, we have. I was a little surprised. Usually the first day things are a little slow, but a lot of good quality prospects have come in.
And are you attending any other fairs and trade shows in the near future?
I'm actually here just for this trade show, and then I'll go to South Korea for one in Busan next week.
Right. And how is the Thai and Southeast Asian market doing for you?
It's doing very well. It's interesting because in Thailand, price point isn't the main consideration. It's service, and we're lucky enough to be represented by Machine Tech here in Thailand, who offers some of the best service you can get.
And what do you see as the future for your company and machines like this?
We're making larger machines, and we're making smaller machines so that we can fit into different markets. And I think as the technology, as people learn the technology more, we're going to see an increase in sales. There was a study done in England in 2009 that said abrasive waterjet is the largest growing machine tools section in the world, and it's one of the few that didn't go backwards during the economic turndown.
Right, so it actually carried on.
Actually carried on and grew.
Oh, that's very good. And what sort of demands are you hearing from your clients? What is it that your clients want the most? What are they asking for?
They want bigger machines. This one's 1.5 by 3 meter cutting area. We're now making a 3 meter by 12 meter cutting area, and they're asking for 4 meters. So it's just growing.
And what industries are mostly buying this machine?
It's just a wide variety. The fabrication companies want the larger. Tool and die manufacturers want smaller, more precise machines. So it's just a wide variety.
And other than this machine and machines like it, what other machines are you producing?
This is it. Abrasive waterjet is it.
That's it. Okay. And anything else you'd like to add?
No.
And what is your how are you focusing your marketing in the next couple of years? What are you focusing on?
Number one, we want to focus on service. People don't understand the technology, and so they're a little afraid of it. We designed this machine so that the buyer can maintain it himself, but that takes training to do. So just general education and service is our focus.
Are you providing any kind of training schemes and
Absolutely.
things like that?
Absolutely. Machine Tech offers service training as well as applications training, and that's not just for the user, it's for the prospects as well.